औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। Hello and warm welcome to all stakeholders of the global world. I would like to introduce myself. I am Atif Salim Bhatt from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about Palestine issue. Let's start topic of the day through step-by-step procedure. I am moving towards step number 1, phase number 1. We all are down to earth to serve the humanity as a humanitarian philanthropist of the global world with massive cognition of sterling. We all are very near and dear with each other. We all are like a second family. You all are touching higher at sky level with recognition of goodness. Palestinian stakeholders are facing barbarity and atrocities of Israel. Israel is more oftenly involved in Machiavellian tactics. The war is not a solution of every problem. So, peace is vital for each and every country of the global world. The attitude of Israel and global world is clumsy, ridiculous. We all are going towards niche direction day by day. We all are missing practical implementation, especially in Palestinian matters. We all are watching a bit off color faces of the global world. We all are watching as a spectator. We all are watching stunt and dumb show because our system is inferior and we all are not pursuing the superior quality standard of law and justice. I am moving towards step number 2, phase number 2. We all are facing shattered and tattered system of the global world because our attitude is stubborn. We all are not taking any kind of strict measures as well as compliance for the peace of the global world. The trillion paps of the global world are on the stakes. We all are here for synergism purpose. I am moving towards step number 3, phase number 3. The Israel is spreading mass destruction in Palestine. So, Palestinians are losing their lives, value, wealth, each and everything. This condition is considered as miserable condition, but global world is watching through shattered and tattered system. I am watching pin drop silence, especially from globe side. It is not good, especially for Palestine as well as international world. It is considered as massive acts and painful blow, especially for humanity. The martyrs are more oftenly uplifting in Palestine because global world is not taking any kind of implication as well as implementation. The Israelis striving hard for the illegal occupation on the land of Palestine from way back several decades ago. It is not good for the global world. We all are here to serve the humanity. We all are considered as close partners of each others. But in Palestine matter, the martyrs are uplifting day by day. Bombardment, global destitution, pollution and multitasking activities are arising in Palestine. Actually, planning conferences are nothing without any kind of implementation. We are missing strict compliance as well as accountability. This obstinate, bashful act is creating hustle and bustle in Palestine as well as in the international world. These things are created totally and every in the globe. They are giving demises to each and every Palestinian. It is not good. Palestinian speaks are considered as gullible people of the global world. I am moving towards step number 4, phase number 4. I am elaborating each and everything. For instance, Palestinians are giving shelter as well as shoulder to the Israelis when Israelis are facing deep trouble in way back 19th century. But it is my unfortunate duty to inform all of you that Israelis are playing with Palestine. Palestinians are considered as friends of Israelis, but Israelis are giving destruction, exploitation, demises, martyrs, bombardment, destitute level of poverty, each and everything. It is considered as ridiculous approach. Israelis are giving away the humiliation to the Palestinians. They all are performing felonious activities with the Palestinians. It is considered as weird, clumsy and malign tactics, especially for the Palestinian peaks. I wanna asking to all of you that if any person or alliance will be striving hard for illegal alienous occupation to your motherland, so what will do to you? Definitely, you all will be striving hard for protection of your homeland, which is essential for each and every person of the homeland. Actually, the dilemma of this illegal or alienous occupation was to homeland create personal homeland. Actually, the dilemma of Israeli was for illegal occupation on the Palestinian land because they are not maintaining any kind of individual country as well as freedom. They are striving hard for illegal occupation on the Palestinian land. I am moving towards step number 5, phase number 5. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was elaborated in Quran Sharif that Allah are giving messenger for the self-respect, dignity and pride of humanity. It is written in Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 21. Each and every single person's life is vital, whether he belongs to any kind of religion, nation, diversification and so on. Each and every religion of the global world is giving us lesson of peace, dignity, pride of humanity and so on. So each and every individual life is important, whether you are belonging to any kind of religion, culture, diversity and so on. Allah Pak is written each and everything in Quran Pak. Muslims are brothers of each other. We all are missing alliance, synergisms, keeping freezer cooperation, collaboration, coordination and support. We need collaboration and support of each other. We all are nothing without help and support of each other. We all should be retaliated against Israel, resilience against Palestine. I am appealing and requesting to all Muslim countries of the global world that kindly boycott all Israel products. It is essential for the safety and security of our Palestinian brothers. We should be used alternative product. The enlightenment of tenderness is essential. We all are unable to bear any kind of world war. Peace is a name of relationship, humanity, diversification, love, affection and care. We all are spreading love, affection and care with dignity of superiority. Love you all.